So today's question is, do I need an extractor fan for my bathroom? Now this is such an important question, no matter how small it may sound. But the fact of the matter is, when a bathroom's done correctly, you do need an extractor fan. Now, you don't have to have one, especially if you've got a window in your bathroom and you're going to leave it open a lot of the time when you're showering and bathing, then you don't necessarily have to have one, but we do recommend you have one. If you haven't got no windows in your bathroom and it's like in a flat or it's in the centre of the home, then you definitely need to have an extractor fan. It's really important that you get the right extractor fan as well, because what happens when we're on site, and if anyone's done their job correctly, because with all the new materials that you tank the walls with, do the floor with, all the adhesives and the grouts, they're all about sealing the room completely. So if you imagine, if you seal the room completely, then there's less extraction for the water or the steam to be absorbed into any walls or ceiling to escape. So then it does get quite steamy in a bathroom. If the job's been done correctly, you will get a tiny bit of condensation, maybe a bit of water dripping down the walls. But this is normal for someone who's done their bathroom correctly. But the best way to eradicate this and keep on top of this is to have a really good quality extractor fan installed into your bathroom. Now you can get some with very low noise decibels, which is very good, but really good power suction outtake. So really make sure you do the investigation in terms of getting the right extractor fan for your bathroom. When we do this, we make sure that we speak to a qualified electrician and make sure that the room has been tested and assessed to make sure that right extractor fan has been put in. And when I'm doing a bathroom or a shower, I love to put the extractor fan directly in the ceiling above the showering area rather than more above the toilet, which is quite a common thing in old houses. So like I say, nice, good, powerful extractor fan, low decibels, so nice and quiet for you, in the ceiling above the showering area or the bathing area, that gives the best extraction and helps with the room's condensation. Always nice to keep the window open every now and then as well. So I hope that answers your question on do I have or do I need an extractor fan in my bathroom? So go and check out all my blogs, articles and videos, because they've all been designed for you to help you with your home improvement project. So go check them out and I'll catch you next time.